I'm here to show you how to make one of my favourite go-to smoothies. Going to make a banana berry smoothie. So got all my ingredients here, and biggest tip I can give is if you have one, use a high-powered blender. It's going to make it so much better. The less liquid you have to add, the thicker they're going to be. I like a thick smoothie. So yeah, got my high-powered blender here, got my ingredients. Let's go. So, starting with 1.5 frozen bananas. I always keep frozen bananas in the freezer to make smoothies because they make it so much creamier. Got like 1.5 cups of frozen berries, half a cup of soy milk, and then I always like to add a natural peak protein to my smoothies. My favourite is 2 Islands Co, so I'm just going to go in with like a heaped scoop of that one. That's much. This is vanilla coconut, but pretty much any flavour goes. And then the last thing I'm going to add for this, like to keep it pretty simple, is I've got some hemp hearts here, but any kind of seeds kind of go. Just going to add about like half to 1 tablespoon of these. This is about a tablespoon. Whoopsie. Put those in there, and then I'm just going to blend it all up. So that is my deliciously thick, creamy banana berry smoothie. Cheers!